Here I've got XIAOMI Black Shark 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sounds at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here. As you can see here, we have different options, and from here let's move to the left corner. By tapping on this we get access to the camera settings. Now let's slide down to the general settings, and as you can see at the second position here we have the camera sounds. So when we tap on this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.